We been getting sick for years. It's all understandable. Rules to this shit. I wrote us a manual, step-by-step template for us to get our health in order, not catch the Rona. Rule number uno. I don't care if it's your guy. Ain't no fist bumps, handshakes, or high fives. Even gang, bro, just chill. I ain't trying to throw it up. You gon' end up throwing up for real. Number 2, keep sanitizing with you. Everything should go well if you keep using Purell. But make more than washing your hands to a habit. Make sure you brush your teeth and wash your ass while you're at it. Number 3, don't trust nobody. Your mom can have a CV, got it from your DD. That's why I tell them keep Lysol or aim whenever. A family that's pray together, stay together. Number 4, out here hanging out? Nah, all that we outside shit, not no more. Number 5, they coughing and sneezing, I'm breezing. I don't care if they cover their mouth, yo, I'm out. Number 6, you see a man you know, say what's up. Don't be trying to do the most and lean in for the hug. Number 7, this rule here is more strategic. Make sure you pick the right one to stay quarantined with. You don't want me trapped inside when shit is toxic. Toxic relationship is as deadly as any virus. Number 8, get food and some chips for the kids. Use that EBT card, go and fill up the fridge. Number 9 should have been number 1 to me. Watch who you smoke with and who rolling up your weed. All that licking with them nasty mouths a finisher. Only thing that in them getting high is your temperature. Number 10, a strong word called tissue. That's what you should get you. Let's keep it official. It's good to add a Scott, the bounty of charming. But if you can't, at least go and get you the Star brand. Don't sleep thinking everything's okay, cause a few celebs got it and they appear to be straight. See, thinking like that, use a laughing joke. They got money to fight it and your ass is broke. The way that y'all thinking just really seems off. Wearing face masks but hitting everything raw. Then got the nerve to go into panic. You'll be good, just follow these corona commandments. What?